is 11th one. What is that? In the given figure, if line segment PQ, so this line segment PQ and or S intersect at the point T. So this is the point intersecting, such that angle PRT is 40 degrees and RPT is 95 degrees and TSQ is 75 degrees and angle SQT we have to find. So before going to that, we have to find the other angle. How you can find it here is, so let's take here angle, this one and these two are vertically opposite angles. That means angle PTR is equal to angle STQ. So by using of vertically opposite angles, both are equal. So from angle sum property, from which triangle you can make from triangle PRT, what you can take angle sum property here, this angle we can find. Let's take this is the angle T. So what is that is angle P plus angle R plus angle T will be equal to 180 degrees. Then what is the angle P here? 95 degrees plus angle R is 40 degrees. Angle T we have to find. That will be equal to 180 degrees. Then angle T will be equal to 180 degrees minus, so 95 plus 40, what is that is 135 degrees. So 135 degrees. So 135 degrees, that is 180 minus 135 degrees. So what is that? 180 minus 135 will be equal to 45 degrees. So what is the angle here? So this is the angle of 45 degrees and this is the angle 45 degrees. We can measure by using this. So how to measure? From, let's take triangle SQT, then what are the angles is angle X plus angle Q plus angle T will be equal to 180 degrees. So here also, here we are calculated 45 and we can get no. So what is the angle S? So that is 75 degrees. Then angle Q will be equal to, we have to find that is, what is that? Angle SQT. So SQT plus angle T will be equal to 45 degrees. That will be equal to 180 degrees. Then angle SQT will be equal to 180 minus of 75 plus 45. So 75 plus 45 will be equal to 120 degrees. So what is that? 120 degrees. Then what you will get here is, therefore angle SQT will be equal to, so what is that? 60 degrees, and we can find angle STQ will be equal to 45 degrees and angle PTR will be equal to 45 degrees. Like this we need to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. For this question in answer method, what is that here is, so let's take this is the angle, exterior angle property. So what is this angle is? So this is the exterior angle property. Let's take this is angle STP. So that is the angle we have to find. So let's take STP is some x degrees and this is angle Q. So let's take this is angle Q, that will be equal to SQT. So from exterior angle property, what you can take it here is angle STP is equals to x degrees, that will be equal to sum of the opposite angles in the triangle. So triangle PRT, so let's take triangle PRT, x degrees will be equal to angle P plus angle R. So angle P plus angle R is nothing but 95 plus 40 degrees. Then what you will get here is 135 degrees. So what is the x angle is? 135 degrees. So that is the angle here. Next one, what you can move on this is, so let's take triangle SQT triangle, angle STP is, that will be equal to 135 degrees. That will be equal to, so angle S plus angle SQT. So we have to find that SQT. So angle SQT will be equal to 35 degrees, 135 degrees angle S. So 135, this one will be equal to angle Q. So 135 degrees minus 75, what you will get here as, so 60 degrees. So that is the angle Q. Like this also we can find.